Right, we're going to Wharariki beach. Woken up early, sun's starting to rise. We're here. Lucy's not going to join because it's like spitting a bit. She's not really too keen on that. A 20-minute walk. Hopefully the light's still good when we get there because it's just coming over the mountain, as you can see. Right, I need to run. Oh shit. What the fuck, my lens just fell out. The bag was slightly open. Shit. And I've dropped some shit on the way. I've got another lens. I'm an idiot. I'll have to go back for it. Right, camera strap. Not what I need right now. And defocus. I've got my 30mm lens. This is somewhere. That's the one I'm most worried about. Praise the Lord. There's my soak 30mm. Let's not do that again. I don't even know if it's worth it anymore. Oh god. Right, I'm just gonna walk slowly, see what happens. I hope shit's not screwed up because it's all wet. Right, I'm walking back now. Just to top it off, I suddenly just checked my maps app. Turns out I'm on the wrong bloody footpath. Sometimes things just don't go your way at all. I don't know what I'm gonna do, I might even do it. Oh god, put shit in the bed, I give up. Lucy? I made a bit of a blunder. There's two pathways. I went down the left one. I'm gonna have to go to the place. I'm leaving my gimbal, it's too wet for it. I'll try to be quick. Right, good night. There's two paths. I went that way because I just assumed that was an obvious path. And the beach is actually that way. Round two. Oh, I hope this is worth it, honestly. Do you know you can just walk through the cows like that? Yeah? Oh, there you go, fellas. Fair enough. Walking through the sand dunes as well is just not easy. This is a struggle right now. My feet. It's completely slipping. I'll tell you what, we got a rainbow. There's the positive to all this. Oh, what am I doing? Right, if I get past all the crap that I've been through, do a bit of a reality check. This is actually pretty incredible. It's hard to realise right now, but you've got a full rainbow over the beach. Basically no one here apart from a couple of surfers in the water. Relax. Look what I've just found around this corner. That bloody seal. I'm not going to get close to it because I think they can be a bit violent sometimes. That's amazing. what, it might have been a bit of a struggle to get here, but totally worth it in the end. Like, that was bloody unreal. Oh no, I just gotta get back to Lucy, but yeah, bloody worth it. The cows have been nice enough to not be in the way of the fence this time. Chill around here. Cheers, lads. I can kind of see Lucy in it. Probably can't see it here. Hi. Nice to see you.
How's that?
Worth it in the end. Yeah.
And the nana's right.
Yeah. It looks really gloopy.
Ugh.
So this is our next stop, Cape Farewell. It's kind of like New Zealand's Durdle Door version. Thank you.
Yeah, it sounds good. Did you see it?
Oh, it's a seal.
Two of them. They're right in the way. Like hang there.
We've already arrived at our next campsite and we're on a walk to another viewpoint which is just like round the corner from it. This is even good. You can kind of see it. I'll have to see what the views with the drone are then. Yep. Because I can't see them.